Green saw the hot dog.
Oh, the birds are fighting now.
He didn't like that.
One bird got mad at the other bird.
Look, they're all at the nest there. But you
There's a nest with the babies. Uh-oh. That didn't sound right, did it? Somebody.
Who's on it? Oh dear.
Choke on a hot dog.
Uh-oh. He killed him. Hopefully not. There's a little baby bird in. We don't even know what these are yet. Some kind of herons, I think. There's a lot of them though. There's 50, 60 birds in there. At least. This is amazing. Birds and gators. I'm trying to fake them out, throwing fake food. This guy's coming in. He thinks I got something. I faked you out, buddy. This is crazy how close these birds get to these crocs. Birds are making noises. They sense hot dogs. Oh, he got one. Got his hot dog, he's happy. Turkey dogs. That's crazy. We didn't buy any, but we're getting a lot of action. All these crocs and these birds. My feet are probably killing me if I walk Epcot tomorrow. Big crocs down there.